Superclass Species. Species is a taxonomic subclass that comprises all fish. They live in fresh water or in marine environments. They possess paired or unpaired fins for swimming. The skin of most bony and cartilaginous fish is covered by dermal scales. Endoskeleton is made up of either cartilage or bones. The digestive system is well developed. External nostrils do not open into a buccal cavity. The gills persist throughout their life and possess 5 to 7 pairs of gill slits in the lateral wall of the pharynx. On each lateral side, there is a system of sense organ extending from the back of the head to the tail. Changes in the environment, that is, increase or decrease in water pressure and wave motion, are analyzed by these organs. Their eyes are without eyelids. They do not have an external ear or a middle ear. They only have an inner ear. They are poikilothermic animals, and hence their body temperature fluctuates according to the temperature of their environment. As a result, they cannot tolerate the big change in temperature. They are unisexual animals. They are oviparous, showing internal fertilization. They are classified into 2 classes. 1. Class Chondrichthyes. Animals of this class possess an endoskeleton of cartilage only. And skin possesses exoskeleton of plecoid scales. The lobes of caudal fin are uneven. The mouth aperture is located towards the ventral side of the head. They have 5 to 7 pairs of gills with separate and exposed gill slits and no operculum. They are oviparous or oviviparous animals, showing internal fertilization. Example: shark, ray fish, etc. 2. Class Osteichthyes. The skin of most of the fish possesses an exoskeleton of dermal scales. Lobes of caudal fins are of equal size, or it is divided symmetrically into 2 equal halves. The mouth is terminal. On each lateral side of the pharynx, there are 5 gill slits, which open into a gill chamber. This chamber is covered by an operculum. Generally, these animals possess a swim bladder or an air bladder which communicates with the pharynx. Example: catfish, eel, etc.